How to enable picture in picture on Samsung phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how to enable picture in picture PIP on Samsung phones. So let's dive right in. For this, you'll need to access the settings and then scroll down, go to apps, and then on the top right you'll see three dots. Tap on it and then tap on special access. Now here, find picture in picture, tap on it, and here you'll find various apps. So just toggle on the apps where you want to access the picture in picture, but make sure that the apps are also compatible with the PIP. And then if you want to disable it, you can just tap on it and toggle it off. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.